The Great Epoch of Transformation. May we take a moment to pause, to reflect on our earthly journey, its impact on self and the other, and the universe at large. In ancient times, the wisdom of the elders wasn't written in books. It was remembered. It was passed down through breath and through story, through the sacred rhythm of the spoken word. Let me begin with a profound African proverb from the Botswana people, also known as people of the falcon. He who buries the tree will next bury the wild animal, and then his own ox, and eventually bury his own children. This African proverb speaks of deep truth that when we destroy the environment, we set into motion the destruction of life itself, including our own. We are now living through what I call the Great Epoch of Transformation, a time of great shedding, a time of great remembering. The Aquarian age, which we are going through now, dawned around the year 2012, and it will flow for more than 2,000 years. And during this period, the water bearer pours forth wisdom, clarity, and change. We are being called to cleanse, to let go of old identities that are no longer serving us, to shed off old skin, to reclaim our divine power, and to remember that we are the architects of our own reality. Yes, we are the architects of our own reality. And the power lies within us to manifest that reality into the world of form and birth it into existence. This moment in time invites us to turn inward, to silence the noise of the world and listen to the whisper within. We are not here to learn anything new. We are here to remember who we are, to remember our connection to the divine, to honor the Great Mother who birthed all things. The Great Mother is not just a metaphor. The Great Mother is living, breathing, and she's sentient. She's known to the star people as the blue pearl, flowing with golden veins deep in her sacred body. The Anunnaki, those who from above came, journeyed to this blue pearl in search of her gold, establishing what they call the House of Life in the southern lands of Abzu, now known as Southern Africa. Yes, it was here they created the primitive worker to mine the earth's golden essence for the salvation of their distant home called Nibiru, also known as the planet of crossing. But have you ever wondered how did Mother Earth, the blue pearl, came into being? The songs of the stars tell us she was born of Tiamat, the great celestial dragon mother. After a cosmic war, Tiamat was torn apart by her own celestial children, and out of that destruction, Earth was formed, and the moon became her faithful companion. Her bowel became the Milky Way, which the Anunnaki called the Hermit bracelet, and to the ancient ones, it was called the flower star. It is one of humanity's greatest illusions to believe that life exists only here, or that we are alone in the universe. Just because something cannot be seen by our naked eye does not mean it does not exist. The universe sings, and those songs of the stars are calling us to rise, are calling us to awaken, are calling us to dance to the cosmic dance, to become both the dancer and the dance. Mother Earth, the blue pearl, she's the giver of life. She's the preserver of all that breathes. And in the end, she receives our physical bodies in sacred return as our souls continue their spiral of ascension. Baba Credo Motwa, whom I had a privilege granted to commune with during his brief earthly transit. Baba Motwa, a revered keeper of the olden ways, shared with me that Mother Earth has endured two great deluges. Both were brought on by the inhuman actions of her children. The first one happened during the time of the Amarire, known as the Lemurian civilization, and the second during the fall of Atlantis. These moments lie buried in our collective amnesia. And yet, the warning still stands even today. If we choose to forget, because everything is a choice, if we choose to forget, if we choose to turn away from the wisdom of the elders, we may face another great reckoning. And yet, it's not too late to awaken, to remember, and to choose wisely and consciously. We are being invited by the earth, by the stars, by the ancients to remember to heal, to remember to claim our indomitable power that lies within each one of us. To rise, may we choose wisely, consciously. May we listen. May we remember. May we return home.